So what you gonna put in here? How much buy it? One food seasoning, something, girl. The oil you used to make this, it was so good. Like this, it's not even that, like it's not even that hard to make. I can actually make it, you know. Because remember when you were little, like 6, your dad used to like help you cook something, and you cooked some like recipes